Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple, and yes, I know it's been a while. I have been a little busy, but I am back. So unbox this air fryer with me. Do not go anywhere. Watch till the end. So as you can see, I have the air fryer here in front of me. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. The air fryer is called Turbotronic. I really love this air fryer, guys. It's amazing. Like, it's very easy to use, and it's very easy to cook with also. Okay, like your meal is ready, stress free. You don't have to stress yourself over frying or roasting. You just put it inside and then you are good to go. So here is a cookbook of the Turbotronic. Okay, the cookbook, that's it. It also states some food there which you can cook. So as you can see, I have this here. I think this is to put inside the air fryer to cover it, so let's just see what's inside. As you can see, this air fryer is big. It's a little bit big. It is 5 liter and it is 1400 watts. Okay, I really like it. I decided to buy the bigger one so that the food can fit in. Like, you don't have to use the air fryer like many times. At least when you put your food in 1 or 2 times, you are good to go. So that's it. That's why I decided to buy the bigger size, or this size. So we are going to open inside now and see how it looks, like how big it is. So that's how you open it. You see, that's the back. That's how it looks like. I like the color as well. I chose black. Reason because I just like it. Like, I like black. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to remove the stuff they used to hold it, and then I'm going to open it. Yeah, this product is also new to me, but I really like it, and I can see that the product is good also. So you see, that's how big the air fryer is. It's actually big, like 5 liters. 5 liters is big compared to 2 liters, 2.5, 3 liters, you see. So that's why I decided to buy the 5 liters. The socket, or the plug also, is also very long. Yeah, the plug is long also. Yes, that's also one thing I like about the air fryer. Like, when when your socket is a little bit far, you can plug it in and it can also go a little long. Okay, if you know what I mean. Yes, so I think this is how you put this. I don't know, but I'll still figure it out later. So you see, it's easy to open and easy to close as well. I really love it. So here are the functions, like how it works. Okay, if you put it on, you will see the stuff in the front, the menu and everything. So you just have to program it and how many degrees you want it, how many minutes, and so on and so forth. You see all the stuff there. They have fish, fries, meat, burger, and all other stuff. You just press on which one you want, and then you are good to go. So yes, that's it, guys. Thanks for unboxing my air fryer with me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and that this video was also helpful and useful as well. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't keep it to yourself. Help me to share it with your friends, with everyone you know. That will go a long way for me, and I would really appreciate that. So thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. I will say bye for now, and I am going to see you in my next video. Trust me, I am coming back again. Till then, bye.